Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. So today I thought I'd show you my Hey guys, what's up? It's Meg, and today I'll be showing you what I eat in a day. These are super quick and easy, so if you're like me who always run out of ideas of what to eat or what to cook, just keep on watching. Okay, so let me just add I only learned cooking after the first few days of me moving out of our house and getting my own apartment. So I am no master chef in any way. And thanks to Pinterest, actually, I am mostly invested in Pinterest. And I like experimenting as well. So, master chefs, please don't judge me. Okay, bye-bye. For breakfast, I would usually just make myself a toast or an oatmeal, but in this video, we'll be making a toast. Yes, that is my best attempt at being artsy. Anyway, here's what you'll need. Your choice of bread, tuna, again your choice, sliced tomato, and onion. You can also use lettuce if you want. Okay, so the first step is to heat a pan and put the bread in. It's up to you how toasted you want your bread to be, but I just do my 30 seconds on one side and 1 minute on the other. And while toasting the other side, I like to start putting my fillings just to save a bit of time. Once it's done, I just transfer it to a plate and eat. I like to pair it with milk or lemon juice, depending on the mood. And to lunch, my favorite meal of the day. So in this video, I'm making penne pasta. I like experimenting recipes on pasta, so this video is one of them. So here I just added some olive oil and then put the butter in. I'm adding the oil to avoid burning butter. I just saw that somewhere. And then put the garlic and the onion. And then I'm gonna be putting the sliced mushroom as well. I love mushrooms so much. That's why every pasta that I make always have a mushroom. And then we're using the tuna, the leftover tuna from earlier sandwich. And then because I saw the sun-dried tomato in my pantry, I thought I'd use them because it's been sitting there for like 3 months. No, it's not expired yet. And I love pesto, so I'm adding, 3 tablespoons in my pasta. And then just adding some salt and pepper to taste. And then I added some basil. And then we're done. Just add your cooked pasta and serve it. I also topped it with Parmesan cheese and some more dried basil. And this is how it looks. You guys, I so love this recipe and enjoyed eating this so much. I actually ate the whole lot. And for dinner, I cooked some quinoa. I totally forgot to shoot the process of cooking after all the cleaning that I did. Sorry guys. But for protein, I just heated this vegan burger patty, which is a super delicious dupe for a beef burger patty. And yes, I know it says cooked already, but I just wanted it to be a bit toasted. And lastly, because I am missing home so much, I ordered this Ligaya Bicol Express and line from Shopee. I will put the link in the description box below. I'd really recommend it to anyone who is missing home like me because, well, we can't go home because F you, coronavirus. So, yes, that's it for my dinner. I hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up and share it to your friends so we can all grow together. Comment down below what you want to see on my next YouTube channel. Bye!